Lily's looking at me. Yo, 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 what up? It's your boy, Daniel Reese, and the Heezy Bosheezy back at it again. What's up, everyone? Where y'all been? Huh? Sorry, I know we've been MIA. Sorry, I've been doing a lot of fishing. Whole lot of fishing. But I ain't trying to show my spots or stuff anymore, because, you know. But check it out. Bam. Now, those were frozen, so I didn't poach them. Caught them. I defrosted them this morning, just put them in water. And so you see I'm at the ranch. You see I got reelies. And well, yeah, we're gonna defrost some bitches. Aww. Refreshment. So, step one, you gotta get yourself fish. Any fish will do. You can buy tilapias. I think that's it. You can go catch perch, bluegills, crappie, bass, whatever, right? White bass, striped bass, not striped, that's striped bass, hybrid bass. I prefer doing this with striper. So that's easy. That part's gonna be really easy. I'll deal with them later. But let me shut this up because I'm solo bolo. So as this is recording right now, I have friends coming out here. So little by little, there'll be people rolling out here. So bear with me. I'm gonna try and do this part before they come, before it gets too loud and crazy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna eat fish tacos. So I got the fish, I got the tortillas. Just dip these in the oil after when you're cooking the fish. I'll show y'all that later. Now this is the magic. This is for all the beans. This right here is where the flavor comes in. This is where you're gonna get the wow factor. This is the bomb, right? Super top secret. You already know I mess with super top secret things. Mainly super top secret ingredients. So it's not that super top secret, but my grandpa always called it repollo. So get yourself a rabbage. Got some tomatoes. Right? So basically it's like a pico de gallo. Got me one big old, there's a freaking bag here. Or not a bag, but like a bunch. Some cebollas. Cilantro. Now you need some spice, right? It's just serrano peppers. And you put a little bit of salt on all that, chopped up in a thing. And then you squeeze some lemons on there. I think the lemon helps give it some flavor and helps, I believe, soften up the cabbage. Alright, so I'm gonna get to chopping. Y'all get to watching. God damn, I love cilantro. Swear I love cilantro. Like, shit's bomb. Grab yourself one of these. I drink Bud Lights, know what I mean? Woo. Got a little messy there. Alright, stay tuned, y'all. And since we're here real quick, what's Gucci? How y'all been? Right on. That's cool. Alright, I'm gonna get back to my shit. Alright. Alright guys, so real quick, I'm not exactly sure how much I'm gonna use, but I got 5 tomatoes, like 13, 14 serranos, 2 bunches of cilantro, 2 pepinos, I used this whole one fat ass onion. I got 9 lemons because you need lemons too for the fish. I'm probably gonna put 3 or 4 and just 1 head of cabbage. Now I'm gonna go and give these a rinse and I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so I guess I'm gonna try and do like every other cooking show. And we can get some chopping action. So I got everything rinsed. So peel this bad boy a little bit, the ugly outside. Let's see. This trash bag. waste. Salud. Okay, so I got big old thing to throw all my repollo in. Put that on the side. Big ass knife, big ass cutting board. Gonna just chop some of the cheesies up. So I'm gonna do like half. Now, I'm in a hurry here because I'm battling the light, but you don't gotta like get it real picado, you know, like real chopped up. Just however. I mean, you just want it just cut up. That way you just munch down in tacos. Ain't gotta be like taqueria style, you know. But I mean, you want it chopped up. Don't judge me on my chopping, right? Anyone, y'all go and make your own and record it and send it to me, and we'll compare. Now, see, this is why I just get a big cutting board, because you just look at that, wow. Right? Let's get this part. We're just gonna chop up some tomatoes. See, I'm trying to remember. Like I said, don't judge me. I'm just in a rush right now because I'm battling the light. I was busy all day. I was out of town. I got back later than I planned on. And so here we are, chopping up some tomatoes. Line it up. Right. I'm gonna zoom this up. I want y'all to see my face. Can you? Nope. Ooh. Aha, look at that. Ooh. We have lights. Alright, so I messed up. I probably should have bought 6 tomatoes. It's looking like I'm gonna be one shy. Bit. It's all Gucci. Sorry. Sorry guys. I'm getting like messages and stuff, and I have my phone on silent. I turn it on silent when I start vlogging because the vibration and stuff messes with the camera, so, and the sound and blah blah blah. YouTuber problems, not me. One day maybe I'll be famous. And if not, I think I'll still make these videos because they're fun to make. And I like to talk. It depends. Depends where I'm at, who I'm with, you know, like vibes. But I mean, I can generally talk. I can get along with everyone, really. But like I was gonna have someone come with me, or so like right now I'm rushing this. Like this video is gonna be long. My bad. Go. First video back, you know, and I was all like, I'm gonna try and keep it short and simple. But once I started cutting and talking, I was like, you know what? That ain't me, bro. I can't keep this shit I can't keep these videos short. I tried to, but there's all the action. And that's what y'all want to see, right? You don't want to see, you know, this ain't a regular cooking vlog. This is Daniel Ibarra vlogs. Alright, keep this. See, look, see, while I'm talking. Whoa. Look at this action going. That's all it goes. Take this back. Look at that, bam. See, that's why I like the big cutting board, the big aluminum tray. You get that? Oh yeah, I put too much cabbage. Oh no. Oops. Just give it a whirl with your hands. Yep. I'm gonna maybe hit up one of my homies that's coming and see if one of the homeboys will bring. Oh yeah. I need more color. Oh well. So for now, but good. This is all one take still. Well, not really. Okay. Next. That light's kind of bugging me. Cheers, everyone. Shout out to my Theo Ralph. I guess I have a lot of family. I knew I had like friends. Obviously, right? I have like 80-something subscribers. Thank each and every one of you. But I didn't realize until recently. I'm like, who my subscribers are, because I can't tell. I just know I have 85, 86 subscribers, but I don't know who, unless you comment, shit like that. So, what's up, Lily? I'll give you the shoulder rub. What's the forearm paddings? Because I'm cooking. I have the family members, they be watching, subscribing, and everyone just, they like it. Yeah, I see this light starting to suck. I can take this hat off. Oh, look at that big old forehead. No, we'll keep the hat on. Damn, that shit was shiny. You see that? Damn, y'all crazy. Yeah, I'll keep the hat on. I'll keep the hat on for the rest of the vlog. Ah, screw it. Sorry, there's like cabbage everywhere. Okay. Let's peel this onion. Low key, I think all my buddies are coming like a little later. So it's not that I didn't want them to come. It's just for this part, the cooking and the chopping, it's simple. I'm going to peel this cucumber and chop it up and throw it in there. I'm going to cut most of these serranos up in small chunks, and then the cilantro, and add some lemon. You know, so it's not that hard. But I just wanted some alone time. Know what I mean? I was gonna say y'all been missing, but I've been doing MIA. So I don't know how y'all do your onions, but it's how I do mine. Let's get some cuts. I know there's a way. I know my little brothers out there right now watching this, talking shit. You know what? He ain't here, is he? Alright, so chop up your onion. And we're gonna put this whole shabuzi in there. Oh. Choppity chop, chop, chop. I got some big chunks. Not really. Yeah. Telling you, get a huge ass cutting board. Look at that. This inside looks ugly. And then this. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. A little bit of that. No tears yet. No tears yet. I smell it though. I smell it. I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm a man. Whoa. I'm a man. I'm a man. No tears. No tears. Woo, look at that rock in action. Woo! Yeah. So rock some of this. Oh God. Woo! No tears. Oh fuck, they're coming. No tears. Ah. I'm holding them off, guys. I'm holding them off. Screw it. Put the whole onion in there. That's right. Right now with the lemon. They're watery, but no tears. Alright, beer break. Bug. Oh, excuse me. We're just cutting pepinos up, man. Just, you know, cube it up. Shit. You can make them, you know, just regular, I don't know, size. I'm putting them in like 4s, I guess. Is that? So I feel, not feel bad, but I was just thinking right now. So I made some the other week. And when I made them, I had this suegra, she was helping me cut up the veggies. And I had her take out the seeds of the pepino. I had her take out the seeds of the pepino, the tomato. And right now that I'm making this one, you don't need to. That's only when you make ceviche. Shit. Oh, I feel bad. And she was like, "Hi, Danny," because I was making her do hella steps. Fuck it. She's gonna be mad when I tell her. You know? Do it your way. You don't have to do it my way. Just like anything I've cooked, and anything I'm gonna continue to cook. Do it your way, you know? This is how I like it. You might like another seasoning, or maybe you don't like onions. Don't put onions. But I love cilantro. But you know, I'm hungry. A piece of onion on the cutting board. Okay. Back at this. Whoops. Pull this out. Oh, I almost knocked my beer over. Slide that over. Yeah, I need a lot more tomatoes. So, I got 5, so you guys would probably want, I don't know, 7, 8 tomatoes. I'm a little short on tomatoes on this recipe. Cilantro, my favorite. Skirt. Let me get a swing. Now, Lily, I did not call you. Oh, get it, Lily, get him, get him. I think the rabbits are coming out right now. It's getting dark. But we have lights. Oh yeah. Look at that pretty ass, ugly ass face. Nope. That stays on. I tried it again. I was like, maybe this time. But nah. So I'm gonna just throw like the whole damn bunch. This is cheap ass State Foods Kalinga. Old Kalinga Market veggies, so y'all know how that quality is. You're paying for the price, not the quality. Damn, more damn stems in this than the freaking Bammer I used to get in high school. Woo! Look at that. We're chopping, rocking, action, boy. Damn, boy. Woo! This is why you get a big chopping board too. Eh? Little slice and dice. Little razzle dazzle, you know what I mean? Ready for this? Lily in the backgrounds. And I haven't mixed anything still. Alright. Boy, we got a lot of oil, but it's good because we got a lot of pescados. Okay, Serrano's time. Now, So I bought like a bunch, right? So there is a little, kind of little secret, not really secret. So cut the tip off, cut the edge on a few of these. I'm gonna start with like, fuck, I don't know. How many? Well, I'm putting them in though. I like spicy shit, you know? So, like the wing challenge. Okay, not that spicy. Speaking of which, I got more hot sauce. Who's down to try another hot sauce challenge? I don't know about wings this time. 5, 6, 7, 8, because I can't count in twos. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let me throw 8 in these some bitches in there. Okay. Now. That was just for the show. Well, shit. Yeah. Okay. Should I do a smaller knife for this one? Alright, so we have everything mixed in. Yeah, I need way more tomatoes. I wasn't being cheap, right? So y'all don't start blowing up my comment section about me being cheap. I just yeah, see, I put too much cabbage too, I think. It's all good though. No, there's color. Look, it's coming along. All right. Oh shit! I spilled some. Damn it. I'll eat that real quick. Good. Oh fuck. Those jalapenos in that. Son of a bitch. Oh. Oh hell. Woo. Shit. Roll your lemons. So I don't have a strainer. Damn it, where's the little knife? Come on, people. Oh, it's right here. Okay. We're just gonna squirt fucking. I'm gonna do two, maybe 3 lemons. For now, I'm doing 2. Just pop out some of these seeds. Oh, sticker. Okay, so this one. Okay, I'm gonna put one more lemon. You kind of want this like real lemony, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, because I've always remember eating that as a kid. Because my grandpa used to make this all the time. And I remember there was always a lot of lemon. Oh, take some of them seeds out. I am forgetting something. Be right back. I'm back. But you do want some salt in this. Now, don't go crazy. Let's do this. Damn. You can't see me from far. Okay, maybe on the next vlog I'll do it like that. From that point of view. So y'all can see. Oh, this is gonna be so bomb. So bomb. So bomb. Dude, this would have foil right now already, just like this is. Just. It's gonna be bomb. I mean. It looks like freaking avocado. It looks like guacamole on the camera. But no. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Let me put one more lemon. Pop some of these beaches out. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the pollo. This is gonna go on top of your taco on top of your fish. And trust me, when ooh, and trust me, this is gonna set it off. This is going to set it off. I mean, alright guys, there you have it. I could put more cilantro in there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash my hands, clean up a little. So as we're eating this, I might add a few more serranos, I might add some more cilantro, and if I have more tomatoes, I add some more tomatoes. But that's it. Give me a few minutes and I'll catch y'all back right now. You can see me. Alright, cool. Well, I should have the burner going already, but I didn't. Because I don't. Striped bass, baby. Gutted. Scaled. Take the scales off. Now the disco is big, but so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut them into two pieces. You can barely see. Okay, so so in between the two sets of fins, I'm just gonna cut them right down the middle, pretty much, like so. Huh? And on this end, just put some slits. Just so it looks pretty. Same on this bad boy. This one probably just put 2. Let's see, put 2. Like, just, you know, just some slits, nothing fancy. And just gonna salt them up. And salt up in the inside. And this is how my grandpa does them. So honestly, seasoning wise, like I don't really know if you put any other seasonings with this or what. That's how my grandpa does it. So I just salted them up. I'm gonna let that sit not very long, because what I'm gonna do is, let's see, this is all the clean hand. The clean hand touched the salt and the handle. Oh, I did grab a fish. Anyways, just let that sit in the salt for a bit. I think I gotta ask him again. I think he lets his sit longer. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get that disco turned on. I'll show you right now. You already seen that disco. What I used to make my chicken, that one vlog, and my world famous chicken. And I add the oil, and I'll see you back right now. All right, guys. It's been about maybe 5 minutes or so. I hope it don't fall apart on me. Oh yeah. Okay, so I might have to keep the salt part out of this. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo! Okay, I lied. Now, you heard me say keep the salt part out of it, and I just got worried because it seemed like the skin and stuff was already like gonna break up. But no, look. Damn. See that brown right there? That's all crunchy. Now, I'm gonna flip them again a few times. But, I mean, that's it. We're gonna, once they're done, see how the meat, when you cut the slits, so you just like, it slides right off the bone. I'm telling you, it slides right off the bone. So, just get that. So now, okay, hold on. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay. Once the fish is done, I'm gonna put it on top on that rack to drip so the oil comes down. Then you drop some of these in the oil. I'll show you that too. I bet I put it in my arm. That's why I brought the camera close up. Just put them in the oil real quick. It don't need long. Pull them out, fish. Put up oil. Munch tacos. Woo. Got some good news, I got some bad news. Bad news, you guys can't be here to eat this with me. Oh shit. Good news, look, damn boy. Look at how nice and fried that fish is. This is how I love my fish. This, look at, I even got me a little sampler right here of skin. Ooh. Can't really tell on the camera. Oh, I might have cooked it a little too much. Yeah, maybe. Get back, Lily. Okay. But that's the... Okay, yeah, I might have done a little too much. My bad, guys. I'm gonna make a few more when I have some friends coming, so... So, sorry. Hold on, camera. Okay, so, I'm doing this all backwards again. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so yeah, I might have kind of burnt this one. But, oh yeah, just a little. Okay, now, let's see, I've got some like skin and stuff. Maybe I could try and get that out before I cook the next fish. Now, just put the tortillas up in there, you see that? And they cook fast too. See, they're already. And you don't want them very long. This oil is hot. You get 20 seconds or so. I mean, literally, that's it. Drain the oil. Like, I might have did them too much. Now this fish, damn, I want a piece of it. It's gonna be so damn hot. Can't help myself. Ooh, so crunchy. It's hot. Ooh. So yes. Turn off the, I got the oil a little too hot, so that's where I messed up. So you don't want it hot. You want it hot, but you don't want it hot, because when I first put the fish in, I had it too hot, which is why the skin started like kind of almost peeling on me, which I got a little worried. So I'll probably show some videos of the next fishes I make. Bro, that's so good. Ooh, a piece fell in. Can't see it. Whoa. Okay. Now, phase 2 this with me. Tortillas in the tray. One crispy ass fish in the tray. Well, one half. Ooh, almost broke that one. Second half in the tray. The moment that we've all been waiting for. Alright. It's about to get a little dirty. I'm gonna take this off. I'm done cooking. Bear with me. Motherfucking Cowboys though, baby. Whoop, whoop. Alright. Now. So the head's bomb, but I always like to munch on the tail. Hold on. I'll zoom in right now for you guys. Oh, bro. Skin. You hear that crunch? Like light, very super thin chicharrones, I swear. Look. Not about all of it right now. I think the top part didn't cook that good. Look, the fins. That's the fin. The fin of the fish. Okay. My tortilla. No, Lily, get back. Look at that. Right off the bone. There's no bone. Look at that big old piece of fish. Bro. No bones. Hold on. Hold on, guys. So see, I burned it a little bit that side. But see, if I was serving it up to people, I leave it like that on that side. Look. That's all bones. Look, this is just one big old half of the back of the fish. Let's see if I can do this one-handed, but this piece might just all... This might all just come off. Look. Sorry. Look at that. Right off the bone. Look at that. Look at that. Ow, it's hot. Look at that. Look at that beauty. There's still some meat on the ends. We'll set it aside. Look at that. That is all meat. Nice and fried. Oh man, I dropped a piece for Lily on accident. We'll just put that one in there. The beautiful, missing some tomato repollo. Just get a good little scoop. Slap it on there. A little bit of salt. Now this freaking lemon has all kinds of... The homies are getting here right on time. All right, the homies are just pulling up. Here we go, guys. Bro, come on.
Guess what?
Grab a tortilla. Come on camera. Eat this filet, bro. Look.
Good morning, lady.
Bro, look at life. There was some peanuts in that piece I got. Damn.
Shit, choke.
Here, grab this bottom plate. What's that one? My boy Manuel. Got this tortilla. I only made 2 tortillas right now. Grab this big ass filet. And throw some
No spinas, güey?
Nah. Chew slowly.
Mm.
Put some lemon and some salt and the pollo on there. Mmm.
Damn, boy. Ooh. It smells bomb already.
Get it on camera. Get the shot. Show the people that first bite.
First bite. Damn. Damn, boy, you got fucking down.
Now, oh shit. Oh. He brought his. I got mine. Thank you everyone for watching.
Salud. You know it's not open.
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm gonna finish my taco.
Salud, everyone.
Made to the pollo. The pollo has all the flavor. It makes the fish. It makes the fish taste so much better.
And boy, you got it down.
Honestly, it don't even taste like fish.
It doesn't. Honestly, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. Salud, guys. Remember, thank you for watching. Please like, wherever, right. Me and Lily are out. Manuel's here. Cheers.
Out. Salud.
I'm about to make some more fish. I'll catch you guys soon. I got another fish recipe coming up. I said it on the last video, and then I haven't made one in like 2 or 3 weeks. Like 3 weeks. But I'm back, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. No, Lily. Let him eat.